Hey there, marketers. Welcome back to Top Skill Trainers. Are you tired of tedious marketing tasks? Well, buckle up because today we're going to explore the game-changing world of AI-powered marketing. From automating repetitive tasks to predicting customer behavior, AI is revolutionizing the way we market. Let's dive in and see how you can leverage AI to take your marketing to the next level. What is AI-powered marketing? So, what exactly is AI-powered marketing? Simply put, it's the use of artificial intelligence technologies to automate, optimize, and personalize marketing tasks. AI can help you analyze vast amounts of customer data, predict behavior, and make data-driven decisions. From chatbots to content generation, AI-powered marketing tools can help you streamline your workflow, improve efficiency, and drive better results. Benefits of AI-powered marketing. So, what are the benefits of using AI in marketing? Let's take a look. Personalization. AI helps you personalize customer experiences, increasing engagement and conversion rates. Automation. AI automates repetitive tasks, freeing up time for more strategic work. Data analysis. AI analyzes vast amounts of customer data, providing valuable insights and predictions. Efficiency. AI optimizes marketing campaigns, improving efficiency and ROI. Now, let's take a look at some popular AI-powered marketing tools. Chatbots. AI-powered chatbots provide 24/7 customer support and improve customer experience. Content generation. AI-powered content generation tools help create high-quality content quickly and efficiently. Predictive analytics. AI-powered predictive analytics tools help forecast customer behavior and optimize marketing campaigns. Getting started with AI-powered marketing. So, how do you get started with AI-powered marketing? Here are some steps to follow. Identify your goals. Determine what you want to achieve with AI-powered marketing. Choose the right tools. Select AI-powered marketing tools that fit your needs and budget. Integrate AI into your workflow. Start integrating AI into your marketing workflow and monitor results. That's it for today's video on AI-powered marketing. We hope you learned something new and valuable. Remember to subscribe to our channel for more marketing tips and trends. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.